And the budgies go absolutely nuts when they see heavy rain. Today will be filled with sudden showers. Thank goodness I don't need to water the garden, and finally, no more heat wave. After all the rain, my beautiful peach-colored canary passed away. I don't know if it was the thunderstorm, age, or just the stress of adjusting to the big new environment. Most likely, it was age. He was always weaker, not much of a flyer, spending most of his time in the lower parts of the aviary. That's why I placed perches near food and water, to make it easier for him. Still, it breaks my heart. Such a short time here. But he left a gentle mark. And about his partner, now left alone, it might be kinder to have her adopted into a canary flock.